Southlake, Texas, is known for its beautiful neighborhoods, charming homes, and vibrant community atmosphere. As homeowners in Southlake strive to create welcoming, attractive living spaces, they are increasingly turning to exterior lighting installation as a way to enhance both the beauty and functionality of their properties. From improving curb appeal to boosting security, exterior lighting plays a vital role in maintaining a home's aesthetic appeal and overall value. Here's why more and more Southlake homeowners are choosing to invest in exterior lighting installation. Enhancing curb appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of exterior lighting is its ability to enhance a home's curb appeal. Whether you're trying to make a great first impression on visitors or increase your home's resale value, exterior lighting can dramatically improve the look of your home. Well-placed lights highlight architectural features, landscaping, and outdoor living spaces, making your property more visually appealing both during the day and at night. For instance, strategic lighting can accentuate your home's front entry, illuminate pathways, and highlight landscaping features such as trees, flowers, or water fountains. Whether you choose soft landscape lighting or more dramatic uplighting, the right exterior lights can transform your property, making it look elegant and inviting. Improving security and safety. Security is a top priority for homeowners, and exterior lighting plays a significant role in deterring crime and increasing safety around your property. Burglars are less likely to target homes that are well lit, as it is harder to break in without being noticed. Installing motion sensor lights around entry points, such as doors, windows, and garages, ensures that your home is illuminated whenever movement is detected. This sudden lighting can alert you to potential intruders and scare them away before they have a chance to enter your home. Furthermore, lighting up dark areas like driveways, backyards, and walkways makes it easier for you and your family to navigate your property safely at night. With bright, well-placed lighting, you can avoid accidents such as tripping over steps or uneven ground, ensuring that you and your loved ones can enjoy your outdoor spaces with peace of mind. Creating ambiance and outdoor living spaces. Southlake is known for its beautiful weather, and many homeowners take advantage of their outdoor spaces by hosting gatherings, enjoying family time, or simply relaxing outside. Exterior lighting can help create a warm and inviting ambiance for these spaces, making them perfect for entertaining or quiet evenings at home. String lights, lanterns, and spotlights can transform patios, decks, or gardens into cozy, illuminated retreats. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, enjoying a book on the patio, or spending time with family in the backyard, the right outdoor lighting can set the perfect mood and extend the usability of these spaces into the evening hours. Additionally, thoughtful lighting designs can highlight architectural features such as outdoor fireplaces, pools, or pergolas, making your outdoor spaces even more functional and beautiful. Outdoor lighting can also enhance landscaping elements like ponds, waterfalls, and flower beds, creating a serene atmosphere that complements your home's natural surroundings. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Modern exterior lighting options, such as LED fixtures, are highly energy efficient, allowing homeowners to illuminate their properties without significantly increasing energy bills. LED lights consume far less energy compared to traditional incandescent or halogen bulbs, and they last much longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Many Southlake homeowners are turning to solar-powered lights for an even more eco-friendly solution. Solar lights absorb energy from the sun during the day and automatically turn on at night, providing lighting without drawing electricity from the grid. This makes them an excellent choice for homeowners who want to reduce their environmental footprint while enhancing their home's exterior. Boosting home value. Investing in exterior lighting not only enhances the appearance of your home but also increases its market value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that are well lit and appear well maintained. Exterior lighting creates an inviting ambiance, which can make your home stand out in the competitive Southlake real estate market. Homes with updated outdoor lighting systems are seen as more desirable because they offer better security, enhanced curb appeal, and improved outdoor living spaces. This makes exterior lighting an appealing feature for those looking to sell their homes or increase their property's long-term value. Low maintenance and durability. Modern outdoor lighting systems are designed to be durable and low maintenance, making them ideal for homeowners who want beautiful and functional outdoor spaces without constant upkeep. Many exterior lights are made from weather-resistant materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions, including the Texas heat, rain, and wind. This ensures that your investment in exterior lighting will continue to perform well for years to come with minimal effort on your part. In addition, many modern outdoor lighting systems feature timers or smart controls, which allow homeowners to set specific times for their lights to turn on and off. This eliminates the need for manual operation and adds convenience to your outdoor lighting setup. Sustainability and eco-friendliness. As sustainability becomes an increasing concern for homeowners, investing in energy-efficient, low-maintenance lighting options is a practical way to reduce one's environmental impact. Exterior lighting systems that use LED bulbs or solar power reduce electricity consumption and minimize waste. Choosing eco-friendly lighting options helps homeowners reduce their carbon footprint while still maintaining the beauty and functionality of their outdoor spaces. Conclusion. Exterior lighting installation in Southlake is a smart investment that offers a wide range of benefits for homeowners. From enhancing curb appeal and improving security to creating inviting outdoor living spaces and boosting home value, exterior lighting is a cost-effective way to upgrade your property. With modern options like energy-efficient LEDs, solar-powered lights, and smart lighting systems, homeowners can enjoy a beautifully illuminated home that is both functional and sustainable. Whether you're looking to create a welcoming atmosphere or enhance the security of your property, exterior lighting can transform your home into a shining example of elegance and practicality.